Imagine for a minute that you possessed a natural remedy in your home. A remedy that could help rejuvenate your aging or wrinkled skin, grow your hair, work wonders on your joint pains and body aches, and still do other mind-blowing things to your health. What would you do? You're probably thinking, there's no natural remedy that can handle multiple things at once. But in reality, you're wrong because it actually exists. And chances are you have it sitting in your kitchen. In today's video, we will be delving into the world of castor oil and baking soda remedy and the 7 amazing ways you can use this life-changing remedy to improve your health, especially as you're aging. You ready to find out what they are? Let's delve right in. Castor oil is a translucent yellow liquid extracted from the castor bean plant. For thousands of years, it has been used to treat various health-related issues. This is because the oil itself is rich in ricinoleic acid. This compound is responsible for its anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, analgesic, antioxidant, antibacterial, and therapeutic properties which help soothe the skin, reduce pain, and support healing. On the other hand, baking soda, a popular baking ingredient, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is known for the light texture it gives baked goods. But beyond its usefulness when baking, research has also proven its usefulness in health-related issues. Because of its slightly alkaline nature, which helps exfoliate, cleanse, balance pH and neutralizes acid on the skin and in the body. When these two are combined, baking soda cleanses, opens up the pores, and basically prepares your skin to absorb the nutrient. Castor oil then penetrates your skin deeply with its nutrients, leaving you to benefit from its analgesic, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Sadly, many people are completely ignorant about how powerful castor oil and baking soda can be when combined, and the life-changing impact it can have on their overall health. Now you might be thinking, okay, what can I actually use it for? Don't worry, I'll not only tell you, but show you 7 simple and practical ways you can incorporate the castor oil and baking soda remedy into your daily life for amazing results. Get ready. Number 4 might just surprise you. Number 7, better skin health. Because castor oil is incredibly moisturizing and rich in fatty acids, which helps improve skin elasticity and restore the skin's natural balance. This makes it effective for treating dry skin or acne-prone skin. It also helps in reducing the appearance of stretch marks and healing minor cuts. Also, castor oil stimulates collagen production, which is great for the skin health, especially since collagen declines with age. This collagen production helps reduce scarring, and over time, it can help improve skin texture. On the other hand, baking soda adds a gentle exfoliating quality, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Together, they create a blend that not only nourishes the skin, but also protects against infections. Now this is how to use this for better skin health. First, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda until it forms a smooth paste. Gently apply it to the area you want to treat. Then leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes while covering with a warm towel. When the time is up, rinse off with warm water. If your skin is sensitive, start with a shorter period just to make sure your skin is comfortable before leaving it longer. And if you thought skin was the only benefit of using this remedy, wait until you see how it eases joint pain. Number 6. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. When it comes to relieving pain, especially joint and muscle pain, a lot of people often opt for over-the-counter painkillers and completely overlook natural alternatives or remedies like this one. It's imperative, that when it comes to the combination of castor oil and baking soda, many have affirmed it to relieve both joints and muscle pain. Hence, it can equally do wonders for you if you struggle with joint or muscle pain. This is because castor oil contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps reduce swelling and eases pain, thereby allowing the body to heal itself naturally when combined with baking soda, which enhances blood flow, helping the castor oil penetrate deeper into sore muscles and stiff joints. Here's how to use this to relieve joint and muscle pain. Simply mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda to form a smooth paste. Then gently massage the paste on the painful area and cover with a warm towel for 30 minutes. Finally, wash off with warm water. If you have severe arthritis, sensitive skin, or circulation issues, ensure you consult a healthcare professional before applying this on joints and muscle. Next up, something many people never expect from castor oil and baking soda remedy. Will you be trying out this new powerful remedy? Let us know in the comments section below. Number 5. Relieve digestive issues and bloat. For the longest time, castor oil has been recognized for its ability to help digestion and ease constipation. In fact, it is also known as a natural laxative. When it is paired with baking soda, which neutralizes stomach acid, it helps with digestive issues. Castor oil stimulates the intestines for healthy bowel movements, while baking soda calms the stomach, making it particularly beneficial for those struggling with bloating or gas. So if you have been dealing with non-stop digestion issues, this is your cue to try on this effective remedy. Let's go over how to use this to relieve digestive issues and bloating. For topical application, just mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to form a smooth paste. Then gently massage the paste on your stomach and cover with a warm towel for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on comfort. Next, remove the towel and gently wipe off remaining oil. Finally, wash off with warm water. This gentle approach will give soothing relief to your digestive system. Please note this is for topical application only. Do not ingest castor oil and baking soda at home for bloating or digestive issues. It can cause cramps, diarrhea, or electrolytes imbalance. Also, always check with your doctor before applying this remedy, and always start with a shorter time to see if your skin tolerates the paste. You won't believe the next benefit. Many people never knew this could be possible. Number 4. Helps with vision. As we grow older, our vision declines and most of the time our eyes get tired easily. Hence the need to pay more attention to and take good care of our eyes' health. Thankfully, research has backed up that the castor oil and baking soda remedy can help improve vision. This is because the anti-inflammatory properties found in castor oil helps reduce puffiness and dark eye circles, supports the delicate skin elasticity around the eyes, and soothes tired and dry skin, while baking soda adds gentle exfoliation and helps balance pH on the skin, preparing the area to best absorb the nutrients from castor oil. Please note that this does not improve eyesight itself. This is a simple way to use this to improve your vision. Start by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of castor oil and a pinch of baking soda to form a smooth paste. Gently apply the paste to the skin around the eyes and avoid getting in contact with the eyes themselves. Once done, leave it on for 5 to 10 This is because the skin here is very delicate. Lastly, rinse gently with warm water. Please do not put castor oil or baking soda directly in your eyes. This is for external use only. Also, before use, ensure you do a patch test on the skin near the eyes first to check for sensitivity. Now here's the use that's completely unexpected. Number 3 is something most people overlook. Number 3, soothe minor lumps. I bet you didn't know this, but this natural remedy can soothe and reduce inflammation around minor lumps. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties present in castor oil may help reduce inflammation and soothe small minor lumps. Since baking soda exfoliates the skin, opens pores, and balances when combined together, the baking soda helps absorb the nutrients of the castor oil, which penetrates deep into the skin. Here's how to use it to soothe minor lumps. First, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to form a smooth paste. Next, gently apply the paste to the affected area, covering the lump. Finally, wash off with warm water. Please do not apply this on large, painful, or suspicious lumps. Also, always consult with your doctor first before carrying out this process. This remedy might help soothe and reduce inflammation, but it is not a cure. If you think that's it, then you're absolutely wrong. This is where it even gets more exciting because the next point is a shocker, and most people barely know about it. Here's a benefit that could help with fungal infections you didn't know you could treat naturally. Which of these have you used before? Let us know how it worked for you in the comment section below. Number 2. Treat fungal infection. You'll agree that as we advance in age, our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive, thereby making us prone to fungal infection in skin folds and nails. The great news is this all-in-one healing paste can help treat fungal infection. This is because castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties which help soothe mild infections on the skin. Infections like ringworm, nail fungus, or athlete's foot. While on the other hand, the slight alkalinity present in baking soda can help inhibit fungal growth on the skin. So when combined together, they create a natural remedy that is gentle on the skin and helps reduce irritation and discomfort. Now this is how to use this to treat fungal infections. Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a smooth paste. Next, gently spread over the affected area, including skin and nail. Please ensure you do not apply on broken skin or open wounds. Then cover a warm towel on the skin area for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, wash off with warm water and pat dry. Please note this is for external use only. Do not ingest. If a fungal infection is severe or spreading, consult with a doctor first. Lastly, always do a patch test first to ensure your skin tolerates it. Finally, the most powerful use of this remedy is coming up. This one could make a big difference in your daily wellness. Last and not least, supporting lymphatic system and detoxification. Did you know that combining castor oil and baking soda can also enhance your body's detoxification process? This is because castor oil activates the lymphatic system, crucial for removing toxins and waste, while baking soda helps balance pH levels, making detoxification more efficient. When they are combined, they create a soothing, circulation-boosting natural remedy that may help reduce discomfort, inflammation, and puffiness. Let's go over how to use this to detoxify. Start by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to form a smooth paste. Next, apply the mixture to areas such as your neck, armpits, or groin, where you have major lymph nodes. Then cover with a warm towel for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on comfort, and wash off with warm water. Please do not use it if you have skin irritation, infection, or medical condition concerning circulation. And always start with a patch test and a shorter duration to test skin sensitivity. Now you have seen the 7 practical yet amazing ways this remedy can be life-changing, particularly beneficial for seniors. What's left is for you to incorporate them into your daily life routine to improve your overall health and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer. How will you be using this remedy to improve your health? Tell us in the comments section below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification button so you can get a buzz whenever we upload a new video. Thank you and see you in the